In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list into HubSpot and look for leads effectively using Seamless.ai. Exploring these tools together can help you maximize your lead generation efforts, making the process more efficient and streamlined. Let's start by heading to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL. HubSpot is a powerful platform that offers a suite of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service, but today we're going to focus on lead generation. Once you've reached the home page, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. After entering your credentials, you'll be taken to the HubSpot home interface. This is your central hub for accessing all its features and tools. From here, navigate to the CRM section. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where you'll manage your contacts, deals, and most importantly for today, your lists. Once in the CRM section, you need to find and click on Lists in the menu. The Lists feature in HubSpot is where you can organize and segment your contacts for targeted communication, so it's crucial for any lead generation strategy. After opening the Lists section, you'll look for the Import button. Clicking on Import will take you to the first step of bringing a new contact list into HubSpot. You'll then see the option to import a file. Click on this to proceed. Here you'll upload the contact list file you want to work with. Make sure your file is formatted correctly. HubSpot supports a variety of formats, but it's good to double check your data is clean and organized. Once your file is uploaded, HubSpot will guide you through the import process, prompting you to map the fields from your document to HubSpot's contact properties. This ensures that each piece of data in your file ends up in the right place within HubSpot, so take your time with this step. After successfully importing your list, it's time to use Seamless.ai to locate high-quality leads. Seamless.ai is a sales intelligence tool that helps you discover targeted opportunities, making it a great complement to your HubSpot activities. Integrating Seamless.ai with HubSpot allows you to enrich and expand your imported lists, providing you with more detailed insights into each contact. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to harness the capabilities of HubSpot and Seamless.ai for effective lead generation. This combination of importing your contact lists and enhancing them with intelligent insights is a robust strategy to develop connections and ultimately grow your business. If you have questions as you work through these steps, remember there are plenty of resources and support available within both HubSpot and Seamless.ai to guide you along the way.